Good morning, dear parents and students. Hope you all are fine. Students, in yesterday's class, we learned about Indian number system. As you know, the name Indian, it is widely used in India. Today, we will learn about international number system. What is international number system? This is a number system which is used worldwide. That means in the whole world, to read and write large numbers. So students, here we divide large numbers into different periods as we have divided in Indian number system, but the periods are different as well as the place. Students, yesterday Indian number system has periods ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. The places ones, tens, hundred forming ones period, thousand, 10,000 forming thousand, lakh, 10 lakh forming lakhs, crore, 10 crore forming crores. And this is how numbers are placed in this number system. So let us revise, students. Let us read second number, that is 9876543221. How do you read? 9, 8 together belongs to one period, that is crore. So read it together, 98 crore 76 lakh 54,321. Right, friends? I hope you have done your homework well. Today, let us learn international number system. Students, in international number system, let us look at the place first. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. So here is the change, first change, that in thousand we have 3 digit, rather 2. Next, after thousand we have million, 10 million, 100 million. So forming the millions period. Students, here we have 3 periods. What are the periods? Ones, which is similar to the Indian. Next is thousand, which is again similar. And next to it is millions, not lakhs and crores. The word lakhs and crores comes under Indian number system, and the word million comes under international number system. So here I have placed same number from above in the international number system chart. 1 0 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. These two are large numbers. So how do we place it under international number system chart? See, 8 ones, 7 tens, 6 hundreds, 5 thousands, 4 10,000s, 3 100,000s, 2 millions, 0 10 million, 1 100 million. As I have told you, when we group the numbers into periods, then we read that number together. So read these 3 digits together. 102. 102 number belongs to which period? Million. 345 belongs to which period? Thousands. 678 belongs to which period? Ones. So how do we read this? 102 millions 345,678. This is how we read the numbers in international number system. So let us write the second number in words. As I have told you, students, read these 3 digits together. 987. Then write the period, which is, what is it? Millions. So write 987 millions 600 54,321. Okay, students, remember, based on the periods we put commas. so as to make the reading of numbers easier. So in international number system, after every 3 digits we are putting comma. See, ones, tens, hundred, a comma, one, then 1000, 10,000, 100,000, a comma, then million, 10 million, 100 billion. So ones, tens, hundred, comma, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, then million, 10 million, 100 billion. Okay. Now students, if you compare these two number system, what are the points of comparison? The number one is that the periods here are 4, ones, thousands, lakhs, crore. 4 different periods are there for 9 digit number. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We can use 9 digit number in this number system. In your class 5, we are learning till 9 digit numbers. So students, there are total 4 periods. But in international number system, how many periods can you see? Only 3. Ones, thousands, millions. This is comparison number 1. Comparison number 2 is the comma. In Indian number system, we put comma starting from the right hand side, extreme right, 1, 2, 3, comma, then 2, comma, 2, comma. Understand? In international number system, how do we put comma? We just count 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3. That means after every 3 digit we are putting comma. Then students, the third comparison is place. What are the places? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So the word lakh and crore comes in Indian number system. Whereas in international number system, we use ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 as well, million, 10 million, 100 million. So the word million doesn't come in Indian number system. It comes in international number system. Remember this comparison. Students, in today's class, I will give you exercise 1.1 as your homework. So I have taken some questions. Question number 2, separate numbers using commas according to international number system. NS here is number system, and write number name. Number name means their spellings also. That means number in words. First we will put comma. According to international system, what did we learn? 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3. So remember the periods. This is ones period, this is thousands period, and this is million period in international. So read this 105. So you will write 105 million. Next 327. 327. 27. What is the period? 1000. So we will write 1000. And finally we have 550. So we will write 550. 50 spelling is F-I-F-T-Y. Full stop. Next question is write in figures. Figures means numbers. So here word is given to us, number and word is given to us. We have to write in figures. First check whether it is international or Indian. 75 million. So the word million comes in international number system. So we will just put some dots. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. These are the places, right, for our convenience. Now we have to use 75 million for the period million. Million comes here. 75. How do we write 75? 7, 5, 75. After million we have 305. Students, do you remember? Before million comes 1000 period. So no 1000 is given in this question. So we will put 0 since 1000 numbers are missing. And finally it is 305. So write 305 in the ones period. Students, while writing the numbers in figures, you have to be very careful. So it's better to put some dots representing the places. Okay. For example, if I say 102. I write one question. 102 million 345. This is a question. Then how will I write in figures? First I will check whether it is Indian or international. Since million comes, it is international. Then I will put the dots. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Right? Now I will put the numbers. 102 million. How do we write 102? 102. This is how. Million belongs to this period. After that, 345. How do I write 345? Here, did you observe that no 1000 is given to you? When the word 1000 will be given, then only you will fill the respective numbers. Otherwise, you will put 0. So, in this question again, it is given 345. So, 345 will come in the ones place. In 1000 period, when 1000 will be written in the number name, then 1000 digits will be formed. Okay, students. So, do exercise 1.1, question number 2 and 4, rest of the questions in your rough copy, and understand this concept clearly.